everybody, and welcome to my violin studio. This is the first video in my new series, the Fiddler's Fakebook Slow Tunes. So it doesn't mean we're just going to play the slow tunes. My goal for this series is to play through the entire book with you this year, 2021. And we're going to play them really slowly. So hopefully this is the series for you if you're just learning the tunes, or you're trying to learn the notes, or you're just going through the book like I am. After you learn the notes, then you can find 100 different tutorials probably on YouTube for different styles, different variations, and how you want to play it to make it your own. So my plan for this is to have this be part of a membership series. Now, I only have 640 subscribers right now. That's gonna change though, right? Yes. And I have to get to 1,000 first. But my goal is to offer the majority of the tunes under a subscription. And a lot of them will be here on regular YouTube as well, though. Probably the big ones will be here, the really famous, popular tunes. But if you want to go through the whole book with me, consider subscribing as a membership if it's available yet. As of making this video, it's not yet because the subscribers thing, but it's gonna happen. So let's get going. We are on the first tune of the book on page 21. It's called After the Battle of Aughrim. I might be saying that wrong, sorry. It's an Irish tune, and I have heard this slow and fast. The chieftains play it really fast. Lots of people play it very slowly and beautifully. I would probably be inclined to play this slowly with a very melodic, lilting melody. Right now, though, we're going to play it extra slow, and I am going to use the exact bowings and ornamentations that are in the book so that you can follow along. After we do that, I'll play it through for you how I might play it if I were just playing on my own. Let's talk for a second about this key signature, because it looks like G major, but it says A Dorian right there. A Dorian? Who's even ever heard of that? Well, A Dorian is just a mode, a way of organizing the notes in a scale. So it's like G major, with a low 2 on the A and the E strings for your C and G naturals, and a high 2 on the G and D strings for your B natural and F sharp. The only difference is we're going to start on A instead of on G. This will give it a minor sound, but it's all the same notes. So it's like a G major scale that starts on A. Here we go. I will take the repeats. 1, 2, 3. background noise happening here. I have a parrot. You might have heard him. He's singing along. Anyway, how'd you do? Too slow? Too fast? Let me know in the comments if there's something more you need. Now that we've played it through slowly, following the bowings and everything exactly, let's play it through a little bit faster and loosen up the bowings a little bit. So I'm just going to add some slurs maybe, some ornaments. I don't know. I don't have a plan. I'm just going to do whatever I feel like doing. You should do the same. Don't worry about your bowing being the same as me. I probably couldn't play it the same twice. So just have fun with it and let's see what happens. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. What a cool tune. There's so many little possibilities when you get to know it a little bit better. It's really fun. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. Please subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. Go ahead, click that button right now. And more so than that, please comment. I love to see your comments, and if there's anything I can do to help you along your journey with playing these tunes, please let me know. As always, practice happy, and I'll see you next time.